come to film.
So bad.
I know. Fuck.
There's no drive to do anything. So you gotta work twice as hard.
Walking around with a big ass DSLR in your hand and talking to yourself kind of makes you look insane. Like it's really, really weird.
Sitting first class, feeling like shit though. Staring out the window with the mind of a schizo. Thinking if I jump, will I feel it when I hit the ground? Fuck that, I want the crown off anybody's head. I wouldn't care if everybody's dead. That's why I keep the plum shotty laying in the bed. Have a fucking sleepover with my weapons. My Rambo knife is eating nuggets with my Smith & Wesson. Shit, I made this out of nothing. Damn, these ladies love me out in London. Lorena Vici served a granulated onion. My mind is locked in a contaminated dungeon. Dog, what the fuck is with your mother? She got one leg longer than the other.